oven, cleaning that. Might put some paint on the top. Still have the cabinet doors here with the oven out. That'll help free up some space to paint those. I'm going to replace the whole countertop with maple is my plan. Actually, this stuff that was old flooring, I'll glue it together and get it all fixed in there and see how that goes.
I reckon if I chose to stay, it'd be better for a few more days. But in the end, it always rains, and honey, you can cause a storm. But I'm tired and soaking wet, and hunkered over trying to catch my breath. Broke my back and did my best to hold you through the shakes. But it's hard to keep floating on a foundered dream. You're taking in water at crazy speed. How can I get to the shore on time if you won't keep afloat? My heart was never much on.
January 18th. Got the cedar wall in, painted. Got a couple of the cabinet doors back on with hardware.
And the frost you put on me. Where are we gonna go when the dam breaks loose and the white line fever gets a hold of you? How are we gonna make it to higher ground if you won't get up and leave? And it's hard to keep floating on a foundered dream. You're taking in water at crazy speed. How can I get to the shore on time if you won't keep afloat?
So I got a table built already. Didn't film that, but this is going to be for the inside of the Winnebago. And now I'm working on putting these inside of, gonna go something like this on there. What I've decided to do is take a hole saw and saw down into the table and then install those. I'll have to fur them out probably with some pine boards underneath, something to attach to. So yeah, videotape that part and then installing the table. So I've got my spot where I'm gonna put my hole right there. And that's a problem. That doesn't work. Oh, bigger something. And now we're back. All right, so what I've done here to show this, mark the depth basically. I don't want to go past this blue tape. It says 1.5 inches. This is actually 1.5 inches old growth fir, and that's marked that in 1.25 inches. So I'll go beyond that. And that includes the drill bit piece. Oh, clear that up. Now, I need to get better chisels. I'm gonna chisel this out.
We've been sniffing that cocaine. Ain't nothing better when the wind cuts cold. Lord, it's a mighty hard living, but a damn good feeling to run these roads.
Now that goes in there. It kind of fits loose because I bought a 2.5 inch hole saw. I don't want to fight it, but you can see, put the right size 1x underneath, furs it out. And we'll do that again on the other side. Well, things got a little wild around here. I'm using a 2x6. So I put that, attached the leg piece on there. I feel like I'm gonna have issues, but there's one. I don't know, it should be stout, but I'm gonna build another one over there on that side and get that on there. Okay, now for the fun part. Oh boy. We're gonna trying to figure out where these go. So, I'm going to the one that I've got. It's 10 inches from the end of the table in. So that will be the first one, it's 10 inches. The other one was 10 inches from the outside. So I'm gonna have to measure, once I set this one perfectly in the center, I'm going to have to measure from the center of that one to that one, evenly in between the two benches. And that should be the place for that. So 10 inches to the center off of this wall. Put that there. So 10 inch. Should use a marker, but I'm not. I can kind of see that. So 10 inches to the center right there. And then whatever the distance this is, 33. So half 32 is 16, so 16 and a half is gonna be right about center. Gosh, I'm good. I'm good. Put that line right there like I knew it was supposed to be there. Not. 16 and a half. Right there, X marks the spot. So you take this guy right here, center it. No, I'm trying the one screw method. I really don't know what I'm doing. Well, it looks like 19 inches is our lucky number. So from the center, go grab the table with the legs. Let's see how this goes. Luckily I built that table super heavy, so this is going to be really fun. Alright. Now, the fun part. Line these up. Probably a lot easier if there's two people. There's going to be a lot of grunting, I'm pretty sure. Don't mind me. Oh. Kind of sits up high. Sits up really high. It looks good though. It looks really good. I don't know. I might like it. I mean, definitely. Wow. I don't know. It ain't bad. I don't know. I think it's gonna work. It ain't bad at all. Not bad at all.
Oh, God above and the devil below him. You got your reasons, and I got my wants. Still got that feeling, but I'm too